Hello learners, welcome to SwayamMOOC. I am Dr. N. Priya, Associate Professor, PG Department of Computer Science in Srimati Devkunvar Nananal Bhatt Vaishnav College for Women, Tamil Nadu. I have 18 years of teaching experience and 6 years of research experience. My research area is image processing, machine learning and neural networks. I am the coordinator for the SWAYAM course, Programming Fundamentals using C and C++. It's a 12-week course with 4 credits. This course is offered as a core paper in UGC program, BSc Honours in Computer Science and all Arts and Science College and Engineering colleges. Why this course? C and C++ are more powerful languages used to create high-speed modern technologies. These languages are closer to the hardware level. Most operating system kernels are written in C, including Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, Android and so on. Web browsers, game engines, modern databases are also written in C and C++. Example, Chrome, Firefox, Unity 3D, MySQL, MongoDB, etc. Many compilers and interpreters are implemented in C and C++. This course is a general purpose, procedure and object-oriented language and it forms a base for other programming languages. Come to the objective of the course. The students will be able to understand and comprehend the importance of the powerful languages C and C++. It provides an overview of structure and object-oriented language. It covers the concepts related to the programming elements, expressions, functions, arrays, structures and pointers. It also covers the object-oriented concepts including classes, objects, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation and exception handling. It explores a laboratory manual which contains simple exercises illustrating the concepts of procedure and object-oriented programming. This course will be useful to students who prepare SET and NET examinations. Learning outcome of the course. On completion of the course, students should be able to identify the importance of programming languages C and C++ to distinguish the concept of procedure and object-oriented programming, to demonstrate the understanding of primitive data types, derived data types, operators and expressions in C and C++, to examine the importance of arrays, pointers, structures, functions and memory allocation in algorithms, to demonstrate the use of object-oriented concepts including classes, objects, overloading, inheritance, encapsulation and dynamic binding, to create and analyze algorithms to solve the simple problems, to apply procedure and object-oriented techniques with the real-time applications. And what is the prerequisite? The students must have the logical skills. And who is the audience? Any undergraduate degree program students can be eligible for this course. Course description. The course will cover the following segments in 12 weeks and the end of each week includes a laboratory manual with the examples of each segment illustrated in C and C++. In the first week, Introduction to C and C++, students can understand the origin and the difference between the procedure and the object-oriented programming. In the second week, data types, variables, constants, operators and basic I/O will be illustrated in the C and C++. In the third week, expressions, conditional statements and iterative statements, students can understand the operators and the difference between the break and continue statements will be discussed. In the fourth week, functions. At the end of the module, students can understand the utility of the functions, difference between the call by value, call by reference, inline functions, return type and the command line arguments. Fifth week, arrays. The module, students can understand the need of arrays, declaration, initialization, manipulation and the types of arrays. Sixth week, derived data types. This module helps students to create and manipulate the derived data types, structures and unions and also describes the importance of the pointers. Seventh week, pointers and references in C++. In this module, students understand the importance of pointers and functions, pointers and structures and the comparison of the pointers and the references. Eighth week, memory allocation in C and C++. This module helps students to understand what static and dynamic memory allocation, storage of variables and also the introduction to files. In the 9th week, file IO, preprocessor directives. At the end of the module, students can understand the need of files, file operations, preprocessor directives and macros, and also highlights the importance of object-oriented programming. In the 10th week, classes in C++. The module helps the students for the identifying the importance of object-oriented programming concepts. In the 11th week, overview of function overloading and operator overloading. This module helps students to understand the need of overloading, function overloading, operator overloading. This segment also highlights the importance of inheritance and the types of inheritance. In the 12th week, inheritance, polymorphism and exception handling. This module helps students to understand the multi-level and multiple inheritance. This segment also shows the importance of exception and handling the exception. So every weekend 1 hour discussion will be done. Assessment plan for 4 credits, 40 for online assessment and 60 for physical exam. Hope you all enjoy this course. All the best learners. Thank you.